If the line segment joining points 3, -4, 1 and 2 is trisected at points P and Q, and if the coordinates of P and Q are P -2, 5/3Q respectively, find the values of P and Q. So here we have 2 points, we have a line with this is A and this is B. So this is point A, this is point B. We'll write its coordinates. We have A as 3, -4 and B as 1, 2. And they're trisected by 2 points. So there is one point here, this is P, and we have another point here, Q. And trisected means cut into 3 equal parts. The coordinates of P are given here, P -2, and the coordinates for Q are given here, 5/3, Q. We have to find P and Q. To start with, we are only going to find the coordinates of P. So we just draw this line again. So we have A, B, and now I'm marking only point P, which I write P -2. Now you know P will divide it in a ratio 1:2. Why 1:2? There is one part from here to here, one part, and on this side now there are 2 parts. This is one part and this is the other part. So the ratio for P will be 1:2. So let's go ahead. Your A is 3 -4, so x1 3, y1 -4, B 1 2, x2 1, y2 2, and then we have P, which is P -2, which means x P, and your y is -2, and the ratio, we know the ratio is 1:2, which means M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. And now we use the formula, the section formula. So our section formula goes this way: x equal to M1 x2 M2 x1 over M1 plus M2, and put your values now. We know our x is here, this is our x, it is P. So P equal to M1, where is M1? Is this, is M1 into x2, x2 is here, plus, so when we work this out, our P becomes 1 plus 6 over 3. Remember, this is not 4, this is 3. So P equal to 7/3. So we found P 7/3. Now to find Q, to find this Q here, to find this Q, we need to use this ratio for Q. So let's go ahead and do that. So now here I have written only Q. I have not written P. P was somewhere here. I have not written that. Now for the ratio for Q will be, what will be the ratio for Q? So there is one part here, 2 parts. So 2 parts on this side, then we have Q, and there is one part on this side. So the ratio for Q is 2:1. So we'll write 2:1. We'll mark our points out here. So this we have here, this is our x1, this is our y1, this is x2, this is y2, here is x, y, and this is m1 and m2. So the formula for x, m1, x2, m2, x1 over m1 plus m2. Here, however, we don't need our x formula. If you notice, we need to find the y. We need to find this q. And this q is in the y. So we don't need the x formula. Actually, we need the y formula. So we'll put y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. Now you see the y is q. Your m1 is 2 here. 2 into y2, 2 into y2 plus m2 into y1, 1 into -4 over m1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. So q equal to 4 minus 4 over 3, and that is 0 over 3, which is 0. So we found value of q as 0. It's very important to note here, why didn't we use the x formula? But remember, this was our a, this was our b, this was q, and here 5 by 3q. We needed to find this. We need to find the y. So hence we use the y formula. For p, when we did p here, a, b, and p, and in this case for p was p minus 2. In this case, we needed to find this. We needed to find x. So hence we use the x formula of section formula.